Take a ride in the 2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, center armrest, universal garage door opener, power windows, security alarm, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, heated steering wheel, overhead console. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.